Investing in a large cap index fund is a straightforward way to gain exposure to a diversified portfolio of well-established, large-sized companies. Here's a simple guide. Research and selection. Research various large cap index funds available through financial institutions or investment platforms. Look for funds with low fees and a solid track record of tracking the performance of a well-known index like the S&P 500. Open an account. Open an investment account with a reputable brokerage firm or online investment platform. Ensure it offers access to the specific index fund you've chosen. Fund purchase. Deposit the amount you want to invest in your account. Search for the large cap index fund by its ticker symbol or name. Once you find it, place an order to buy shares of the fund. Dollar cost averaging. Consider investing a fixed amount regularly instead of a lump sum. This strategy, known as dollar cost averaging, can help mitigate the impact of market volatility. Long-term approach. Large cap index funds are generally best suited for long-term investment goals due to their stability and potential for growth over time. They are designed to mirror the performance of the entire large cap market, rather than trying to beat it. Monitor and review. While large cap index funds require minimal management, periodically review your investment to ensure it aligns with your overall financial goals. Adjustments may be needed if your objectives change. Dividends and capital gains. Large cap companies often pay dividends to shareholders. Reinvesting these dividends can further boost your investment. Additionally, if the fund sells any holdings at a profit, you will receive a portion as well. Tax implications. Be aware of tax considerations associated with selling fund shares and any capital gains distributions. Consult a tax professional for personalized guidance. Investing in a large cap index fund provides exposure to established companies across various sectors, spreading risk while allowing you to benefit from overall market growth.